So for the 2013 Escape, to remove the antenna base that's on top, there's no need to remove too much on this. You just need to push down on the two clips here to bring the headliner down, and the two connectors here, the yellow and black, you to disconnect them, and then you should be able to access just under here to take off the old piece. It's it had a 10 millimeter bolt on it, so you take that off, and this comes out, and then for the new one you just you reinsert it on top, reinsert it through the roof, and then you should be able to install it then. I see that the book time for this is roughly like 7 hours. The service information states that it wants you to drop the entire headliner down, but there's no need to do that. You just need to drop it down a little bit, and you have access here. You just need to squeeze in, and then that's it. After you're done, just reinstall everything back, and then and then that's it. The part number for the antenna base, and this is the part number for the antenna itself that goes on top of the base that screws into. So for the new base, you just need to remove the 10 millimeter bolt. You take that off, you leave this clip, and this should clip inside. And then this you reinstall it from inside the vehicle. Insert this through. Should clip inside like that, and then you grab the 10 millimeter. You grab the 10 millimeter bolt and the bracket, and bolt it in. So now just make sure you have a look at it. It's a little bit loose, so just keep on tightening it down until it's tight, and then that's it. And then you need to reinstall the antenna afterwards. So after both of the connectors are back in, you just need to re-clip the headliner in place. One here and one here, and then you should be all good to go. Just reinstall the antenna. The antenna screws in, and then that's it. And the one thing that you need to note to make sure that you put the headliner back in, you can see here it's in all the way. So just make sure you slide it in behind the panel. So it's all good. Just if you need to readjust a few things, and do so, just make sure everything is in properly, and the rubber molding, the weather strip stuff is in properly, and then that's it. So reinstall the antenna. This is a brand new one, so reinstall it, and then that's it. And just make sure the radio works.
Trade. This is our moment to build a strong economy by Canadians for Canadians. Learn more.